Ladies and gentlemen, it is April 1st, April Fool's Day, Easter Sunday, 2018. And I realize that most of you are probably engaging in Easter Sunday festivities, such as an Easter egg hunt. It is my responsibility to all of my listeners and human beings across the world to know that you are engaging in an Illuminati, globalist, anti-human activity. Every Easter Sunday, billions and billions of chickens get aborted in the tradition of the Easter egg hunt. And it wouldn't be so bad if chickens weren't in on the whole scheme. Hear me out. I know you guys think I'm crazy right now, but just think about it. What two colors are the eggs that chickens produce? White and brown. And then George Soros funded nobodies color the eggs in springtime festive bright colors. And the chickens are in on it. They figured it out. They actually produce more eggs in springtime approaching Easter just for this disgusting slaughter. So maybe this message should just be for globalist chickens, but you think you're safe, but you're really not. Because as soon as the globalists get from you what they want, it's off to KFC for you guys. Or maybe Chick-fil-A if you're lucky. And I know all of you globalist chickens out there just think that you're going to live forever and that you're never going to become a three-piece and a biscuit. But all of you globalist chickens out there, you can redeem yourself. You can turn things around. Spread the word. The globalists are coming for you. They want you to destroy yourselves. So what all of you chickens need to do is like our videos, subscribe to our channel, and hopefully change this disgusting system. This is Alex Jones. I'm signing off. Bok bok.